You go work at McDonald's. If you live long enough, you'll make $1 million.
The average hourly rate for McDonald's Corporation employees make $9.64. $9.64 times 40 hours a week equals $385.60. $385.60 times 52 weeks a year equals $20,000. 1 million divided into $20,000 equals 50 years. That means it would take 50 years for you to make $1 million.
But here's what you got to do. The successful people do this. They take what's going to happen in the future and they bring it to today. I don't want to be a millionaire 40 years from now. If you make 50 grand a year for the next 20 years, you make $1 million. Just do the math, folks. People are not doing the math on money. You need to do the math on the money.